Hi, Josh Richardson.
And I am psyched for this fight. You don't want to know what's coursing through my veins right now.
So you know Pillowfight is a betting company, right?
What the H-E double hockey sticks? I paid $20 for these on Amazon.
I'm sure you did, but I think we're here to talk about how our products are innovative, comfy, and affordable.
I have been canceled from so many stores, I don't even know where you can get my pillow anymore.
This isn't just a mob. There are 2,500 Missouri militiamen standing against us with that order from Governor Boggs.
Mormons must be terminated or driven from the state for the crime of building homes and worshiping God.
You should make this very point. Accept the offer, I beg you.
Our automated inventory management system was down, and I wasn't able to reach the packing lead to get an ETA. Stress levels were high. All I could think about when I was rounding the corner to the packaging department was trying to get the system to come back up. When I got hit, my head hit the concrete. I broke my hip and sustained a couple of head injuries. I've got scars here and here. I was in a coma for a week and the hospital for a month, and then a whole year in rehab.
Steve has always been an excellent professor.